Good morning, everyone. I am Priyanka Fulsaundar, Assistant Professor, IT Department. Now, our today's topic is Introduction to Software Engineering. Today, we discuss what is software engineering. We are very much used the word software, and software is like a driver which drives computer. Software is mediator that can be communicate with computer hardware and users. Software that can be communicate with computer hardware and users. Software engineering is a product of two words. First one is software and second one is engineering. Got it? First one is software and second one is engineering. Also, software is a collection of integrated programs. All programs are integrated with that software. Okay? Today's society is known as information society. We all are about familiar that. It is impossible for human beings to live without information. Humans need to communicate with each other. For example, exchange or share information. Okay. Now, software engineering is the design, development, documentation of software by applying techniques and practices from computer science, engineering, application, interface design, number of things, etc. Got it? Now, the role of software is as a product as well as a vehicle. Role of software is a product as well as a vehicle that can be deliver the product. Software is always a product itself. Okay, software is always a product itself. For example, Tally is a software which does account related function. The best example is Tally is a software which does account related function. On the other hand, software delivers the products like timely available information, which is very important for the organization to earn the profits and complete the work. Software subsets of carefully organized instructions and code written by developer of any various particular computer language. Instruction and code written by the developer. Okay. Computer program and related documentation such as requirements, design model and user models which are included in software engineering. Okay. Requirements, design model and user manuals. Okay. We all know software plays very important role in our life as it has become individual part of human life. Just take few example like mobile phone which has inbuilt software which allow use to operate it. Okay, mobile phone which has inbuilt software. Even web based software such as domestic application like washing machine, microwave ovens or software driven devices which make its operation easy. Got it? The use of software programming. Okay. In short, software is an agent which produces the information in required form. That could be audio, video, graphical or even encrypted format, etc. All our day-to-day activities like banking transaction, shopping, bill payment, movies done by the software. Okay, we all are familiar with banking transaction, shopping, movies, etc. This software we all are use. In this subject, we are going to focus on how software are developed, then how this process takes place. Okay, then how much time of its cost, then how much time it takes to complete the whole project, etc. Now, next one is the introduction of nature of software. Now, what is the nature of software? Software is a set of instruction. We all are familiar with that. And that nature of software executes or provide features, functions and performance. Also, software is a data structure that enables the program and manipulate the information. Enables the program and manipulate the information. Software is a documents that describe the operation and use the programs. What is the use of the program and operation? It's all are explained in the software. Okay. Now, what is the characteristics of software? Now, basically, software are different than the hardware. Software are different than the hardware. As software is a logical element of a system. Software is a logical element of a system. In that, now, why software engineering is required? Software engineering is required because to manage the large software and to manage the cost, and also it is important for better quality management. Got it? Why software engineering are required? Now, next one is the software processes. What is software process? Software process is known as software methodologies, and software process is a set of related activities that leads to the production of the software. Activities that lead production of the software. These activities may involve the development of the software from the modifying or existing system. Okay. Now, any software process must include the following four activities. First one is software specification. Second one is software development. Third one is software validation. And fourth one is software evaluation. Now we will discuss one by one. So, first one is software specification, or we can say that software requirements engineering. Now, what is software specification? It is used to define the main functionalities of the software and constraint around them. Okay, it is used to define main functionalities. What is the use of software specification? It is used to define main functionalities. Okay. Now, second one is software development. What is the use of software development? The software used to be designed and performed. Okay, software is to be designed and performed. Now, third one is software validation. In that, software verification and validation, that can be the software must confirm and its specification meets to the customer need. For the customer need, software verification and validation is to be used. Got it? And fourth one is software evaluation. It is also known as software maintenance. In that, the software is being modified to meet customer or market requirement exchange. Got it? What is the use of software evaluation? The software is being modified to meet customer or market requirements. Okay. When we talk about a process, usually talk about the activities. Now, what is the activities of software process? Product. First one is product. In that, what is product? The outcomes of an activity. Product is nothing but the outcomes of an activity. Let's take an example. The customer of architectural design may be a model of the software architecture. Okay, may be the model of software architecture. Now, next one is roles. What is the role? Role is nothing but the responsibilities of the people involved in the process. For example, project manager or programmers. Okay, role is nothing but the responsibilities of the people that involved in the process. Third one is the pre and post conditions. Now, the condition that must be true before and after activities. What is pre and post condition? It nothing but the condition is true before and after activities. Okay. The best example of pre and post condition is the precondition of the architectural design is the requirements have been approved by the customer, while the post condition is that diagram describing the architectural have been reviewed. Okay, got it? The activities of software process. In this video, we discuss about what is software engineering, why software engineering is required, also why it is the use of software engineer, examples of software engineering, and nature of software, also explain software processes and its four activities. Thank you so much.